Hello everyone, in this video we're going to be taking a look at why ticket flipping is the best way to make money online. Now you may have done research, you may have asked friends and family, read books, and you've been trying to make money online for a long time now. And I think that ticket flipping is and will continue to be the #1 way to do it. And we're going to be taking a look at why that is. So I think the first reason that really stands out is the simplicity of the business. It's truly super simple. And there's nothing to actually handle or ship in this business. So you probably tried selling things online before, and maybe you've had to have inventory in the house. You've had to have boxes and boxes of stuff that you had to ship out, go to the post office. It gets a little bit crazy. So what's great about this is it's all done online. It's a digital ticket that gets transferred to the customer actually automatically. So we can be making sales in our sleep. There's nothing to actually ship to anyone. It's all done online. And this can be done from any device, anywhere in the world. You can do this from your phone, tablet, computer, virtually anywhere, anytime. So that's what's so great. And it's also a very easy step-by-step system. And what our program will do for you, Ticket Flipping Hub, is we'll actually show you how to do this business from A to Z from scratch. So you can click the link down below to check out some more additional information about our program, what it has to offer. The second reason why I think ticket flipping is the best way to make money online is because it's an evergreen business. The entertainment industry has been around forever. It goes back to the Greek times when they would have shows in the Colosseums. So it's really a business that's been stable for many, many years, hundreds and thousands. And there's always concerts and events all the time. Think about how often you see the next announcement for tour dates and the next time your favorite team will be in town. There's always events every day virtually in the world that will take place. So that's why it's very evergreen business. And keep in mind, there's always going to be new artists and bands. How many times do you see the next upcoming Justin Bieber and the next teen sensation? So there's always going to be new artists and bands that we can take advantage of. The third reason I think why this is really, really so great is because you can have a very flexible budget with this. You can start very, very small and then scale up over time. If you don't have much capital, you can still buy tickets. You can go for the cheaper tickets at first and then build up over time, keep putting more money back in monthly. If you want to set aside a little bit of your paycheck to put in tickets, then you can do so. And then where I think you can really, really build this up is the fact that you can reinvest your profits. So let's say you made $100 profit on a pair of tickets. You can put that money back in along with the initial investment to buy more tickets, and then it just builds up over time. And that's how it really becomes a nice, reliable, predictable income. So that's really it. Those are the three reasons why I think ticket flipping is and will continue to be the best way to make money online. If you have any comments, you can comment down below, any questions as well. You can also click that link in the description to learn some more info about our program. Thank you for watching, and I appreciate it. Take care. Bye-bye.